Mastering manners with at. Unlock the power of English prepositions. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're digging deep into the wonderful world of prepositions. Specifically, we're going to explore prepositions of manner, focusing on the preposition at. By the end of this video, you'll understand the various common expressions with at, and how to use them effectively in your everyday English. To start, let's clarify what we mean when we say at is a preposition of manner. Essentially, prepositions of manner explain how something is done. At is often used to express the method, way, or manner in which an action is performed. There are numerous common expressions that use at. Let's look at a few examples. 1. At a glance, this phrase means to quickly look at something. For example, at a glance, I could tell he was upset. 2. At random. When you do something at random, you're doing it without a specific plan or order. For instance, the numbers were chosen at random. 3. At ease. This term is often used to describe someone who is relaxed or comfortable. For example, she felt at ease in the new environment. 4. At last. This phrase is used when something finally happens after a long wait. For instance, at last, she received the letter she had been waiting for. 5. At a loss. When you're at a loss, you're unsure or uncertain about what to do. For instance, I was at a loss for words. 6. At length. This phrase means, for a long time. For example, they discussed the matter at length. Remember, the key to mastering these phrases is practice. Try to use them in your everyday conversations. In this section, we'll do a few practice exercises together. We'll provide a sentence with a blank space, and you'll have to fill it in with the correct expression using at. Here's an example. He seemed blank, unsure of what to say next. The correct answer is at a loss. That's a wrap for our session on at as a preposition of manner. Remember, prepositions can significantly enhance your English fluency and understanding. So keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using these common expressions with at like a native speaker. We hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for our next lessons in the Grammar Fundamentals series. Keep learning and keep growing. Happy studying!